Hello everyone, this is Teacher Kaye and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to discuss the GCSE command words and how to effectively answer them. First is state. When you see a state question, you simply give a fact, a definition, or an equation. For example, state the law of reflection. How to answer this? When a wave strikes the surface, the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Next is describe. In a describe question, all you have to do is to say what you see, what happened, or what will happen. For example, the answer. Next is explain. When you see the explain question, you will be asked to use science to say why something happens. Take a look at this. And the answer is next is calculate. In a calculate question, you will normally have to choose which equation to use in the problem. Substitute the right numbers into the right places and write down your final answer. You may also be asked to write the correct unit in your answer or to write it in a certain number of significant figures. For example, and here's how you do it. Next is show that. Show that questions are similar to calculate questions except for one key difference. The final answer is already provided in the problem and all you have to do is show how to arrive with that answer. For example, here's how you show it. Next up is compare. In a compare question, you have to write down the similarities and differences between two or more things. For example, and this is the answer. Suggest. In a suggest question, you are asked to give a reasonable scientific answer. And answers may vary with this type of question. The answer? Any frequency greater than 20,000 Hertz. If somebody answers 25,000 Hertz while another gives an answer of 21,000 Hertz, both of them will get 1 mark as a correct answer. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to always be humble, be teachable, and always keep learning. Once again, this is Teacher Kaye. Have a great day. Bye!